What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So unfortunately for me, I've just dropped something down in the sink here. I was washing out my flapjacks and I've lost one of these little lugs here. So I thought it's a good opportunity. Anybody that has ever dropped something down the sink, like your wedding ring or a earring or anything of value, like one of these little pieces that'll probably cost me $100 to replace, go to the bottom of the sink and look for the trap. Now there's a trap down here. Hopefully, if you're lucky, the piece might actually still be in here. So don't flush any more water in there. Like I said, I wasn't intending on doing a video. I'm just here to show you guys. Hopefully this will save a lot of people. All you want to do is just simply unscrew your trap. You can see there's a bit of a leak happening now because I'm loosening it off. Now this does have water inside. So you just have to be a little bit careful, otherwise the water will go everywhere. We'll undo the bottom piece as well. And hopefully it's still in there. So just be a little bit careful. We don't want to lose it and we don't want to spill anything. Balance it as much as possible. And we're going to quickly go to the bathtub. If you've got a drain plug, now's the perfect time to use that drain plug because we don't want it to wash down into that side. I won't be able to get that one out. We'll pour it out slowly on the back side here. Come on, where are you? Oh. That's exactly what I've been looking for. So just a quick little video. Hopefully this is going to help you guys out and you haven't actually lost anything down the drain. You might want to wear gloves, you might not, but I really don't care. Now that I've got my little piece here, I'm super happy. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. I've saved your marriage. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.